Hey guys, this is your host Irfan Nasser, and today in this video, I want to show you that how you can edit a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So as you can see that I have one of my CVs, opened in the Adobe Acrobat file. Now, if I want to edit something, I don't want to convert this PDF into a Word file and then edit it. I will just go to the Adobe Acrobat and click over All Tools, then click on Edit PDF. Now it's going to scan all the text that is written over here for which that you want to edit. Now it has selected this one. Now I can click on any of the text over here and maybe remove or add something to it. Now the best thing about this Adobe Acrobat is that it can easily distinguish the font, the text size, and all the styles that have been used in this PDF. So this is one of the handy features that the Adobe Acrobat has. Now keep in mind that this option is only available for the paid users who subscribe to Adobe's membership, and sadly this isn't available in the free version. So this is how you can edit a PDF, and you can even change the font sizes, font styles, and everything. And that's how you do it. So that's pretty much it. Hope you like this video, and if you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. As always, peace out.